This is test number 2 of the smoke detector. On the right hand side we can see the other smoke detector which was purchased for the purpose of this test, and on the left hand side is the one supplied by your company. What I'm doing is starting a fire in the sink using paper, and the smoke rises up, hits the ceiling, and we will then see which one of the smoke detectors works. This is the second test that I've done. The first test, the other smoke detector worked and the one supplied has not worked. So we will just see what happens in this case. So the fire is started. It will start to produce smoke shortly. This will be similar in terms of the type of fire that might happen in a domestic situation, which would require a smoke alarm to alert people that they had to. Now, the alarm that you hear going off is the other alarm. When this comes out, it goes off. This is the other alarm. It's not the alarm supplied by your company. By waving the smoke away from the alarm, it stops the. But you can hear it going again.